Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are trying to browse the web or download a file in Microsoft Edge and keep getting the INET-E download failure error, I will show you exactly how to fix your internet security settings right now. Let's get started. First, click on your Windows search bar, type Internet Options, and open the Control Panel app from the search results. Click on the Security tab at the top, select the Trusted Sites icon with the green checkmark, and click the Sites button. Simply type in the exact web address of the site you are trying to access, click Add, and make sure to uncheck the Require Server Verification box at the bottom before closing the window. Next, if the page is still failing to load, open that same Internet Options menu again, but this time navigate over to the Advanced tab at the very top. Click the Restore Advanced Settings button near the bottom of the window to instantly clear out any glitchy network configurations. Finally, scroll down through the main settings list until you find the Enable Integrated Windows Authentication option. Uncheck that box, click Apply, and then restart Microsoft Edge to successfully load your web page. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.